Hello, my name is Mark Pimentel. I'm a CAM application specialist here at Hawkridge Systems, and in this video I'll be showing you our new CAMWorks Post Parameters add-in. Now this add-in uses API calls from both SolidWorks and CAMWorks to achieve some of the functionality we're going to see in this video. But to see the benefit of this add-in, let's take a look at this part file and we'll see where this add-in can actually assist in the programming of your part. So first, you can see on the left side here we have multiple operations already applied to our part. If we open up one of these operations, we can see in the posting tab that since we're using a custom-made post for this machine, the post writer has added, by the request of the customer, additional parameters in this tab. So you take a look at this table, there's additional parameters that the post has added to each individual operation. You can notice here that we're controlling the coolant, as well as for this particular reaming operation, there's a peck amount. If we take a look at another operation, because we're using the same post, we have the same table. Now in this case, these post parameters apply to this operation again, but we're not seeing something like the peck amount because that does not apply to this particular operation. Each one of these operations in the left menu would see that same table. If you wanted to make a change to a particular parameter, you would originally have to go into each operation and change that parameter across the board. You'd have to go into each one and toggle that parameter. Where this add-in will come in and help is once we go into our CAMWorks Post Parameters tab, I can open up the Edit Post Parameters, and it brings up each of the individual parameters in the tabs and each individual operation in this grid. And this gives me the ability to modify a single parameter across the board, applying all to the operations. Let's take a look at that coolant. So every one of these operations is using a different coolant on this part. Coolant setting, I want all of them to use flood. So I would just right click and I can say set coolant 1 to flood. This column controls that one parameter. I can then set it so that each one uses that same parameter. So across the board I've applied all. If I wanted to individualize these parameters, let's say for instance I want only the use of a certain tool to see the flood and every other one I want off. Well, we can toggle this box that says show tooling by color, and now we can see that each tool has a different color here. I can then individualize it by saying every one of these contour mills, every one of these uses of these different tools, I don't want to use flood coolant. I want them to be off. So in one table, I can now modify a single parameter for each individual operation or just apply all. If there's a unique parameter for an operation, it'll still pop up in this tab. We can see here that we have the peck amount, and the peck amount parameter really only applied to that reaming operation we saw before. So I can just go in here and modify that value. If there was a value that we needed to change across the board, we can go to something like coolant dwell, and the same sort of thing. I can right click on the column here, make an individual change here, and it actually applies across the board. So the CAMWorks Post Parameters add-in gives you the ability to change all those unique parameters, those custom parameters from your post processor, either individual or across the board, but in a single interface, making your workflow a lot quicker. If you have any questions on this or anything else, give us a call on the main tech line found on our website. And if you like these videos, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.